Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my first video this year. As you might hear, I'm a little bit sick right now. I've been in bed for a whole week, but I just got the Amrezy X Anastasia eyeshadow palette in the mail, and I'm so excited because I love Anastasia and I love Amrezy, and these colors are right up my alley. I know it's gonna be a favorite. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's pink, it says Amrezy in rose gold, and then when you open it up, this is the packaging. It's so pretty, and these are the colors. They're a little bit messy right now because I just used them, but they are so pretty. No! Oh my god, it's fine. But yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look using the palette, then just keep on watching. Alright, so before we start with the eyeshadows, I'm first just gonna prime my eyelids using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. At first I wasn't a huge fan of this because it's so white, but now I apply most of it onto the lid and then I just kind of blend it up into the crease, and I've really grown to love it. Now for the star of this look, the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy eyeshadow palette. I'm first going to pick up the shade OG on a fluffy blending brush and apply into the crease. You guys, my camera does this all the time with the lighting and it literally drives me crazy. Anyways, so now I'm just applying this into the crease and also in the outer corners of my eyes. So this is a little bit weird, but lately before I shimmer shadows, I've been applying this liquid lipstick in the shade Beaming from Anastasia because it's metallic and it's been on my makeup table, so I've just used this one instead of an actual eyeshadow base because, well, I'm lazy. So on top of the liquid lipstick, I'm now gonna apply the shade Anastasia onto the center of my eyelids. And this is a really beautiful peachy pink metallic shade that has a gold shift. It's so pretty. Before the lipstick has time to set, I'm now gonna apply Barb eyeshadow from the palette onto the inner thirds of my lid. And when I tell you guys this is the most beautiful eyeshadow I've ever seen, I truly mean that. It's so beautiful. It's like a metallic lilac shade with a grainy gold sparkle. You can't really see it in this lighting, but it sparkles like crazy. It's insane. Now for the outer thirds of the lid, I'm gonna apply a little bit of Cupcake, a metallic purple shade. And I just wanted to play around with all the colors in the palette, so that's why I'm using so many of the shades. And I mean, I always use a ton of different colors anyways, so it really shouldn't come as a surprise. For the outer corners, I'm gonna use a mix of Semsa and 1988 to add some depth and drama to the look. I really wanted to use Semsa because I think it's one of the most beautiful plummy red shades I've seen, but I didn't want it to be too bright, so that's why I mixed in that darker brown shade 1988, and I think they look really nice together. So I'm just building up the color slowly using a smaller pencil brush and then going in with my big blending brush just to blend everything together so there's a soft transition between all the colors. For the lower lash line, I'm now going to use the same mix of Semsa and 1988 first all over. And then I'm going to blend that out using the OG shade I used earlier in my crease. I'm also going to go in and apply some of the liquid lipstick I used earlier and the Barb eyeshadow shade on top of it. I also decided to apply this color into the inner corners of my eyes for a nice sparkle. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm just going to line my lash line with the Nabla Cosmetics Serial Liner, and then I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow BK from the palette to soften the line. And then for my inner corners, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner because I have a lot of shimmer in the inner corners and I really want the liner to cover that. And I feel like liquid liners covers shimmer shadows better. So that's why I'm using this liquid liner. Now I'm gonna apply my new favorite mascara, which is the Nabla Cosmetics Major Pleasure Mascara. And then my favorite lashes, Russian Blue. I always use these ones. I wasn't sure what color to apply onto my waterline. I kind of liked it without any liner, but I decided to apply a black one because it's been a while since I did a black waterline. And I used the LA Girl Ultimate Black Eyeliner, which is my favorite and it's so cheap too. Now for my highlights, I'm gonna apply my favorite combo, which is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Trippin', and then the Marc Jacobs All Over Luminizer in Guilty. And then I realized I forgot to do blush, which I always do before highlights. I don't know if it's because I'm sick or because I haven't filmed in a while. But yeah, so I applied my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love. Last but not least, for the lips, I'm gonna use the matte lipstick from Anastasia in the color Soft Touch. I can't believe I've never used this shade before. It's such a beautiful pinky nude. So I'm definitely gonna be using it a lot from now on. And that's it for this look, guys. I really hope you like this look. Let me know what you think of the palette, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!